So these are the most involved problems that I have to be able to do because I don't know what the numbers are. I know that there are 13 numbers occurring between 0 and 30, 28 occurring wherever, and the rest of them are all listed there. So when I get this, there's a couple different things that are going to happen. I'm approximating anything. All right. The modal class is the class with the most. So this is the modal class, which is 150 less than or equal to n less than 180. Do I know the mode actually occurs in there? I have no idea. That's just the class that has the most. It's the range. It's the range that has the most occurrences. There's 65 things in that top range. Okay. Again, do we know the mode occurs there? Not really, but it's not saying that that's the mode. It's saying that's the class with the most things in. So then, here's the thing that you have to do with these. We need to have the estimate of the mean and the estimate of where the median is. So we have to go through here and we have to have a number. We know that there's 12 things happening between 0 and 30. We don't know what they are. So we do to estimate this is we find the average of each of these classes. So for each of these classes, we're going to take the top and the bottom and average them. So we're going to do 30 plus 0 over 2, which is 15. We're going to do that for each of these. This one's going to be 45. This one's going to be 90 plus 60 divided by 2. So that's 75. Now, what you'll realize is they'll go up by the same thing. So if I can do this, 105, that one's 135, and this one is 165. I'm not adding that correctly. 165. And that's because the classes are evenly spread out. Now, if the classes were not evenly spread out, you'd have to actually go through and do it. So make sure that you get these numbers right, because if you don't, then what's going to happen is we're going to have an issue. So let me write out. These are our average value for each class for range. So now when I go to my calculator, I'm going to put in these numbers and these numbers. I'm going to put in the averages and the frequencies for those numbers into the calculator. And then I'm going to use those to estimate where the mean and the median is. All right, so let's go ahead and let's put these in the calculator. So I'm going to hit stat. I'm going to hit edit. I'm going to clear these lists out from before. And then I'm going to put in 15, 45, 75, 105, 135, 65. Oh, see, I was not here for that. 135 and then 65, and I left that in. So I hit, whoops, that didn't work. Hit those. There we go, sorry. I double check those. 15, 25, okay, so those are right. And then 12, 28, 39, 43, 54, 65. All right, so there's all my stuff entered incorrectly. So I hit stat, one variable stat in the calculate menu. I have a frequency listed in, so I'm going to put that in there, and then it gives me this stuff. All right, now again, I'm going to drag these and drop them. Okay, so there's my screens. So I can drag them out of the way. There. Okay, now I'm estimating what the mean is. All right, so the mean is x bar, which is 112, because the three significant figures. The median estimate is 105. Okay, now again, are those accurate to what's actually happening in the data? No, because I don't have the actual data. I just had it tallied up in these classes. But this is called an estimate. So this is an estimate for any of these things.